You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Keep going. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Don't give up. Don't you give up on me. woman, she had this little device thing, and what she did is she just like massaged in this area. For the forehead, she just went in circles like this. In circles. It's supposed to like drain your face. Then she put one like right here in this spot. And then she went behind the ears like this. And it's supposed to make a difference. I don't know if anything looks different. Y'all are looking like, I'm trying to see what is different. So currently I'm getting ready for the ice skating rink. We're about to go ice skating. I did a bit of concealer under my eyes, pressing powder, CoverGirl True Blend. I just buy foundation that's like a little bit brighter than my skin tone, and I use it as a concealer. Pom-pom earmuffs. Be sure you do subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying the content so far, because I'm coming out with many more exciting vlogs and they're going to be so fun, and I just don't want you to miss it. So earmuffs, Columbia jacket, and it's also thermal heated inside. I want to charge this because I may bring this with me. I'm gonna stop by the bank and get some cash out, and we're gonna go. And yes, I'm going to pay for you, don't worry. Okay, so we currently made it to the ice skating rink. Let me get my gloves. There's a good amount of people, not too many, but I got my gloves with me, light with me. There's actually a good amount of people here. You know, it's good to break past your fear barrier, because I'm kind of scared right now, but I know that I'm going to be okay. So sometimes it's good just to step out on faith, I guess, and not to be afraid. I think they are actually packed right now. I think all the skates are gone, so I'm just here. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish I had more footage, but I didn't. So it came out to 15 minutes, which isn't too bad. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. God bless.